Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your membership on Audible using computer. So if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Go to an internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this video, and then log into audible.com, or in this case I'm using audible.co.uk as I'm in the UK. From there, go up to this section, Hi Andrew, and then go to Account Details. Press that, and then from there you can now press Switch Membership. Press that. And the current plan that I'm on is this one right here, Audible Premium Plus. And you get 1 credit every month, unlimited listening to the Plus catalogue for a fee of $7.99 per month. However, you could upgrade to Audible Premium Plus 2 credits for $14.99 per month, or scroll down and there's some different options in here. Audible Premium Plus 12 credits for $69.99 per year. And finally, Audible Premium Plus 24 credits for $109.99 per year. And then what you need to do is select the plan that you want, press switch to this plan, and then follow all of the steps, and you will have successfully switched your plan on Audible. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.